Birch Bay Village home that may punch all the buttons. Should appeal across the board. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath cottage remodeled and immaculate. Engineered, laminate, and tile flooring, no carpet. Granite countertops with stainless appliances, including stainless backsplash. Granite island with seating. Dining area within the great room concept. Forced air heat with new furnace 1 to 2-year-old as well as 1.5-year-old roof. 2-car garage, park-like setting. Circular driveway. Amenities galore, enjoy.